Hello friends, in this video we'll see conditional statements in Python. So to write conditions in Python we are using if-else statement. So let's see how to write this. So first of all we have to declare variables like we have a equals to 5 and b equals to 10. We have these two variable. Now we want to do some conditional operation on this. Okay, so for that we are using if statement. Okay, so if a is greater than b, so if a is greater than b, then we'll print a is greater than. Okay, and now print it. Okay, so a is not greater than b, that's why this statement is not printed. Okay, uh, now we can use else here. Print b is greater. Okay, so this time we have printed this statement. Okay, that is b is greater. Now you'll see, you can see here is some space is there. Okay, so this space is called indentation. Okay. So now if a is greater than b, if this statement is true, then we will print this print statement. If this is false, then we will print the second one. Okay, so instead of if else, we also have one more like else if. Okay, else if a is less, a is equals to b, right? Okay, then we'll print a equals to b. Okay, now we'll run it. Still it's saying b is greater. Okay, because b is greater, right? Now we'll change values. So a is 10, b is 10, so it will print a equals to b. Okay, so let's run it. It's saying it's printing a equals to b. Now change it. It's printing a is greater than b. Okay, instead of this greater than, we can use less than symbol, and like this symbol greater than, we also know about many of the comparison operators. Okay, so comparison operators means greater than, less than, equal to, all are the comparison operators that we have learned in our last videos. So you can use here also, use all that. Now there is one more concept, that is nested if concept. Okay, so like if a is greater than b, then in this if statement we can use another if statement, like if a is greater than b, then we have to see uh, first we declare another variable, that is c. Okay, so c equals to, we can see 30. So if a is greater than b, at that time we have to again check one more condition, that is if a is greater than c. If yes, then we can print a is greatest. Okay, and we can run it. Okay, but a is not greatest, right? So we can change its condition. So we can change the value of C. Now it will print A is greatest. Okay, with this if in statement we can also use else, if, else, all these statements here. Okay, now if if you want to check two conditions in a single if statement, then how you can do this? Okay, so for that we have one concept called AND operator. These are logical operators. Okay, so using AND we can do this. Okay, so A is greater than B and A is greater than C. If this both conditions will become true, only then this statement will be executed. Okay, so A is greatest. Okay, so this will only print when this both conditions are true. Okay, so like this both conditions are true. Okay, if one condition is false, then this will not execute, right? So this will not execute it. Okay, uh, instead of AND, this is one more operator. Okay, this is also a logical operator. Now if this both from this both of conditions, if one condition is true and another is false, then it will print this statement. Okay, means from two conditions we have to uh, true one of them or both. Okay, then we can at the time we are using or operator. Okay, so let's run it. It will print. Okay, so it's all about if statement.